What?
Changing the case oil.
I do not
Except
know
for
why
what?
I'm freezing.
Freeze? What?
We've already been out here.
Why are you changing the oil? I thought you just changed it.
We did, but and then
All right, let's see what happened.
Brody didn't set the washer on the dang bolt.
On what bolt? The plug?
Yeah.
Where's the washer?
You weren't telling me anything about the washer. Another pack for us. Because
Yeah, there it is.
one whole pack right now. You're trying
Wow. And where'd you find it?
In this funnel.
Yeah, luckily the funnel caught it, huh?
Yeah. I heard a tink.
All right.
I was like, what? Am I in trouble?
No, you just gotta. You're gonna have to drain your oil again and put the plug back in it.
No, I said Timber's like, what? Am I in
The
trouble?
tools that you need to change
She
your
looks
oil.
like she's like, oh my god, am I in trouble? What are you doing?
You're not in trouble, Timber.
She's like, give me some of that.
Did Timber have some yogurt?
No, she don't need no yogurt.
That's not a must-have. The
Oh,
extension
Timber, I got you some yogurt.
through the
No.
ratchet,
Yeah, yogurt.
and then this one, the bolts under here.
Dad, I think
Probably
you need to glue
14.
your handles back on this thing.
Glue your handles.
No.
Glue them. Now you're
I
gonna
need
put
a
the switch
hoodie.
on to off.
Or left. Yep, lefty loosey. So how often should you change your oil?
Lefty, Lucy, righty, tighty, lefty.
Once after every race.
Well, if you weren't racing.
Like maybe once every 2 to 3
Righty, tighty.
rides.
Lefty,
Okay.
lefty,
Yeah, that's probably true, especially on these bikes.
tighty.
Do you know how much this bike takes?
Righty, tighty,
Uh,
This is a little 50 senior KTM. You know how much oil it takes, Wes?
Lucy, righty, tighty, lefty, Lucy, tighty, tighty,
I
lefty,
think so.
How much?
tighty, tighty.
200 cc.
Close, yeah. Well, I think it's actually 150, but where would you find that, right? What's it say? Right there.
Right there.
Yeah, all right. So that's how much oil it's supposed to take. But, yes, you are correct. We go a little over, and we run close to 200 cc's. Also, you could always just pull the wheat bolt right here and fill it till the oil slowly starts coming out, and then
It's not
you're good.
150, it's 150.
You got to between 150 and 200.
Bro, what?
You got to 150 and stop.
Bro,
between 200.
Why aren't you working on the bike?
It's your bike.
What?
I'm cold.
Alright, I broke
It's your
it.
bike.
I broke the bolt loose. Up in the pan.
Oh.
Wash day.
Is it missing a washer, Wes? Bro, get Wes a rag.
It's missing the washer.
We have to take the blood. That looks like blood.
Oh, yep, that does.
Yeah, that's fresh oil.
Do you dump it back in
You
it?
just changed it like 10 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, he just changed it and didn't put the washer on.
Diaries are for.
No one told me
What?
it's caught.
Diaries are for girls. Yes, they are.
They are for girls.
What you got on?
Back up. If you don't want, you want me to beat you up? Hey, go on.
Stupid Weston. Bad, stupid Weston.
I'm not stupid. Torque's on. Switch it back to off.
Don't throw that funnel around.
I'm done. I'm done.
Get. Go throw it away.
Then you gotta loosen it
If you're
by
done.
hand. And not lose.
He has
Don't lose that washer.
Yeah. Alright.
a pour.
We hook it to there most of the time.
Why don't you just hold it?
Hold this. Don't lose the washer.
Pour.
Back in it in this case.
In this case.
last time you said for me to pour it not that quick, and you're pouring it like pretty quick.
I said pour it in